Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is having a quick look at adjectives, describing words. Adjectives describe nouns, the name of something. For example, telephone. Uncle Geoff bought a new telephone yesterday. New is the adjective, telephone is the noun. We had a wonderful day yesterday. Day is the noun, wonderful is the adjective. It describes the noun, it describes the day, a wonderful day. Adjectives go in front of nouns. Expensive telephone, wonderful day. You can make that adjective stronger by using very. My friend John bought a very expensive car the other day. You can also put adjectives after some verbs, for example, to be. He is hungry. He is, the verb to be, hungry is the adjective. He is, he's hungry. Or she seems angry after the verb seem. She seems angry. Angry is the adjective. Adjectives with nouns and verbs, they're easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, I hope, on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.